Most people shopping for a small SUV in 2026 are focused on the wrong things. Flashy screens, oversized wheels, and big marketing promises don't always translate into long-term value. What actually matters? Proven reliability, strong safety ratings, low ownership costs, and smart resale value. In this video, we're breaking down the best subcompact and compact SUVs you can buy for 2026, the models that consistently deliver where it counts. We'll look at real-world dependability, crash test performance, fuel efficiency, maintenance costs, and overall value for money. If you want an SUV that won't drain your wallet after the warranty expires, this guide is for you. Let's separate the smart buys from the expensive mistakes and help you choose a small SUV that truly makes sense to own. Number 4. Subaru Forester. Subaru hasn't been chasing flash or hype for the past decade. They've been quietly building some of the most dependable vehicles on the road. The Forester isn't the most powerful, the most luxurious, or the most high-tech SUV here. But Consumer Reports doesn't crown winners based on spec sheets. They rank real-world reliability, safety, owner satisfaction, and long-term value, and that's where the Forester dominates. Every Forester comes standard with Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive. No upgrades, no add-ons. It's always on, constantly adjusting to road conditions before you even notice a loss of traction. That alone puts it ahead of most rivals. The upright, boxy design isn't about style, it's about function. Visibility is outstanding, interior space is maximized, and confidence behind the wheel is immediate. Parking, lane changes, and tight roads all feel easier because you can actually see around you. Inside, the Forester is refreshingly straightforward. Materials are durable, controls are intuitive, and the seats are comfortable for long drives. Cargo space is excellent, the rear seats fold flat, and standard roof rails make it a favorite for outdoor lifestyles. The naturally aspirated boxer engine won't win drag races, but it's efficient, reliable, and paired with a low center of gravity that gives the Forester stable, predictable handling. Consumer Reports ranks the Forester number 1, thanks to exceptional predicted reliability, top-tier safety scores, and some of the highest owner satisfaction in the industry. Pricing starts in the mid-20,000s, with fully loaded models staying under $40,000. It's not flashy, and that's exactly why it wins. Number 3. Subaru Crosstrek. The Subaru Crosstrek, a small SUV that punches far above its weight. In the subcompact category, few vehicles offer this mix of capability and value. Consumer Reports gives the Crosstrek an 82 predicted reliability score, and its hardware explains why. With 8.7 inches of ground clearance and standard all-wheel drive, it can handle rough roads and light trails that stop many larger crossovers. That's a big reason younger buyers gravitate toward it. It supports an active lifestyle without crushing monthly payments. Its compact footprint makes city driving and tight parking easy, yet on weekends it's perfectly comfortable heading to trailheads or campsites. Inside, Subaru uses space efficiently. The front seats are supportive for long drives, the rear seats are usable for shorter trips, and the cargo area easily handles groceries, sports gear, or camping equipment. The dashboard is dominated by an 11.6-inch vertical touchscreen with clear navigation, smartphone integration, and Subaru Starlink services for emergency assistance and vehicle monitoring. Fuel economy comes in around 33 miles per gallon on the highway, impressive for an AWD vehicle with real ground clearance. Power from the base engine is sufficient, though passing on two-lane roads requires some patience. Safety remains a strong point, with standard eyesight features like adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, and lane departure alerts. The Crosstrek delivers efficiency and versatility, but for some buyers, even better fuel savings may still be the next priority. Number 2. Mazda CX-50. The Mazda CX-50 is proving a lot of people wrong. Many assume Mazda can't compete with the biggest names in the SUV world, but the data says otherwise. The CX-50 just scored 71 for reliability from Consumer Reports. And surprisingly, it's built in Alabama, not Japan. What really sets it apart is what Mazda did under the hood. They refined their Skyactiv engine using ultra-precise manufacturing techniques inspired by luxury watchmaking. Components are measured to tolerances most automakers wouldn't even try. The result? 0 catastrophic engine failures, 0 transmission replacements, and 0 major electrical issues reported in the first year. While many modern SUVs rely on excessive tech that often breaks, Mazda went the opposite direction. No oversized touchscreens dominating the dash, no paid subscriptions for basic features, no risky over-the-air updates. The focus was simple: long-term durability. Owners report something unusual. The CX-50 actually feels more solid after 30,000 miles. Panel gaps stay tight, doors sound the same, and there are no rattles. Inside, Mazda avoided cheap plastics, using stitched surfaces and multiple layers of sound insulation. At 68 decibels at 70 miles per hour, cabin noise rivals luxury sedans. The predictive all-wheel drive system actively reads road conditions hundreds of times per second, sending power before traction is lost. Drivers in real mountain snow say it outperforms SUVs costing twice as much. Most telling of all, mechanics say CX-50s come in only for routine service. No warning lights, no glitches, just maintenance. For a new platform, that's almost unheard of. Number 1. Toyota RAV4 Prime. The Toyota RAV4 Prime. Consumer Reports gave it an 84 reliability score. What makes this shocking is what it actually is: a plug-in hybrid family SUV that launches from 0 to 60 in 5.5 seconds, produces 302 horsepower, and still delivers up to 94 miles per gallon equivalent in electric driving. That combination simply shouldn't coexist. Demand exploded because Toyota accidentally built the perfect bridge between gas and electric. It offers 42 miles of pure EV range for daily driving, then switches seamlessly to hybrid mode for long trips, delivering nearly 600 miles of total range. It can even supply 1,500 watts of power, letting owners run essentials during outages. The electric all-wheel drive system skips mechanical complexity, using a rear electric motor for instant traction and control. Despite weighing more than a standard RAV4, it handles better thanks to its low-mounted battery. There are downsides. Supply is limited, waitlists stretch past a year, and dealer markups are common. The interior is basic, and charging is slow without a Level 2 setup, but owners don't care. Consumer Reports found 97% satisfaction, helped by fuel savings of roughly $3,000 per year and available tax incentives that drop the real price close to mainstream competitors. The RAV4 Prime isn't flashy, it's near perfect because it works and keeps working.